Yeah, let's not do that. That's fine. I can block that with this. What? This is a perpetual? No. No way. How? Because once he gets this pawn, he's going to come in and check me? Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a fork. He can't take the pawn. How is this a draw? I'm confused. So I'm just going to move here. And I don't know what Stockfish is going to do. Or even here. And I'm going to get a queen. Or get a queen, right? Stockfish, you're crazy. Today I'm going to try to beat Stockfish with only pawns. I'm going to be playing with 32 pawns initially, and if I lose, I will keep adding pawns until eventually I win. How many do you think it's going to take? Let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to be aggressive. Let's attack the king. Let's just go for it. Let's go for it. Okay. Okay, Stockfish. What are you going to do about this? What are you going to do about this? Okay, let's just keep going. Trying to be aggressive here. All right, let's get my king involved. I think my king is definitely a piece I should use. Stockfish is just going back and forth. That's a good sign. I think that's a good sign. Unless I'm already in Zugzwang. Let's see. Should I? Oh, let's do it. We gotta get to the king somehow. Gonna have to sacrifice some pawns for the cause here. Let's keep going. Let's not do that just yet. Let's keep just doing this. We'll take it slow. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna have to make a decision. All right, let's keep bringing the king forward. I'm gonna need the help. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ooh. Stockfish says it's 11 for black now. That's not good. All right. That's unfortunate. I think we got a little bit aggressive. I think we got a little bit overly aggressive. Mate in 4. Okay. All right, Stockfish. Let's do a rematch. I'm going to add an extra pawn and see if that helps me at all. All right, I've added a pawn on a6, and I'm going to try again. Here we go. And I'm actually going to use that pawn and just attack right away over here on the queen side where I have that extra pawn. That's fine. Let's see if we can push that bishop all the way back. Okay, good. Let's try to be a little more careful this time. Maybe I won't let the rook get involved. And I do want to use my king, so let's start bringing my king over. I think I need to use the king to help, definitely. Okay. Let's do this. Question is, should I use the king now or should I wait? Let's actually get the pawns forward first. Then we'll bring in the king. All right, let's go. Okay, we'll take this way. Ooh, we gotta be careful here. Let's do this. See, now maybe I just do like this, and then I just start pushing, or do I shift my focus to over here? Okay, that looks good for me. Yes. I think Stockfish might be in trouble this game. I really do. I'm just going to keep pushing. It doesn't seem like Stockfish has a good plan right now. And so I'm just going to keep pushing slowly but surely. Okay, let's go ahead and do this and this. Oh, no. That was not good. That was not good at all. I think we had it. I think we had it right up until I blundered that pawn. Yeah, now it's not easy. Man. Okay, let's keep trying. Yeah, this is going to happen. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. I got to run now. I got to try to run somehow. Mate in 8. Mate in 8. Okay, I think we had it. I really think we had it. All right, let's try again. I'm going to add another pawn. All right, here we go. I've got 34 total pawns this time, and I'm going to use the same strategy, just kind of attack on this side of the board where I have these extra pawns. It seemed to work pretty nice last time. Yeah, all right. So let's be careful. Let's just keep advancing. That's fine. Let's just keep advancing. I don't really want to move this because I'll lose this pawn. So I guess we'll just leave that for right now. Let's take this. Let's go here. Let's take that, I guess. Okay. All right, it's looking good. Just keep moving them forward slowly but surely. Let's put the king over here so it's safe. Let's go f6. Yeah. See, Stockfish doesn't know what to do. This is good. I'll just keep bringing my king up. Let's see. Let's see. I feel like this is kind of a critical moment. Let's go ahead and push these. And let's push maybe this one. And this one. Oh, we're equal now. Okay. Okay, this is good. And yeah, let's just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's get as many pawns forward as we can. All right. I think it's time. I think it's time. Let's just try to break through now. Let's try to break through. We have this. I don't know if I want to do that just yet, or should I just take here first? This. Maybe I just defend, actually. Yeah, because I can always take back this way. Stockfish didn't like that, huh? Okay. All right. What if we... Yeah, let's just keep pushing. Let's get this pawn up there. Okay, we have g4. Maybe I should start creating some threats that black has to defend against. Okay. Let's play g4. Fine. Shut off the queen. Let's defend. Oh, man, I messed this up again. Stockfish is so tricky. Stockfish mate in 7. All right, let's add another pawn. All right, this looks a bit unfair because I'm basically guaranteeing myself that I can get a queen right away. So I'm going to actually move this pawn over here. All right, I actually just crashed my browser. I had too many tabs open with different chess positions, I guess. So let's go ahead and re-add the pawns and we'll try it again. I'm going to put 2 here. I'm going to put 1 over here because it's really not fair if I can just get a queen that early. So let's try from this position. All right, here we go. I have a 20-point advantage according to the evaluation bar. Let's not mess this one up. Here we go. Let's go ahead and capture over here. All right, that was a good move. I mean, I assume I'm supposed to just maybe attack on the king side, or am I supposed to just trade some pawns? Let's just trade some stuff off. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. And now maybe we can start pushing forward, force black to sacrifice some pieces. All right, good. It's looking good. Let's go here. I guess we'll just push over here. Push the bishop all the way back. Great. Keep gaining space. Don't let him do anything. 22-point advantage. Let's not mess it up. Okay, sacrifices there. Still have that 22-point advantage. Oh, I left all the pieces on the board. What a... No wonder I have a 22-point advantage. I'm going to leave that in the video. I'm just going to leave it in. Let's go actually do the right position. Okay, we're back. I've removed all the pieces that somehow I managed to not even see on that last game. And it's roughly equal. 0.00. All right, so this should be interesting. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, Stockfish. Let's take over here. Let's take over here. Let's take over here. I mean, I like what I did last time. I think I was just like pushing forward. Something like this. Like maybe like this. Yeah, let's get a fork. Okay. Let's attack the queen. Push forward. Let's defend. Let's capture this way. Don't want to let that rook out. Okay, let's play this one. Let's push. All right. Let's keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Ooh, advantage is growing. All right. We've got him up against the ropes. Let's not blunder it at the end. Let's not blunder it at the end. Okay, what's happening? I don't see anything. Oh yeah, look at that evaluation bar changing. Just look at that eval bar changing. This is how you beat Stockfish, right here. This is how you do it. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Looks like Stockfish is confused. But I have a plan. I have a very clear plan. I keep pushing my pawns. And I'm going to come over here. Actually, wait a minute, wait a minute. No, I'm going to push right here. I don't want to let those rooks into the game. That's my strategy. Don't let the rooks into the game. And I think we're going to be just fine. Okay, now maybe we have to. Let's see. No, I don't. I'll just keep doing the same thing. Don't panic. Let's create some threats. Create some queen threats. Okay, I don't really think I want to even take that because then the rook potentially can come in and I can get checkmated. So let's go here and just kind of defend everything. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's play b5. I need some more pawns now. Let's... Oh, that was actually a bad move. All right, hold on. How do we do this? I don't want to throw it. I can go here, here, and here. That looks pretty solid. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, he's gonna start sacrificing. Fine. Oh, no. I was thinking this was the only move. All right, hold on. Maybe it's not lost yet. Let's go here. Let's go here. Oh, the queen's coming in. Oh, no. It's going to be a draw, isn't it? It's going to be a draw. Somehow I messed that up. He's just going to keep checking me forever. Man. Man. Actually, he might even try to win if I'm not careful here. Okay. Let's go here. I think I can come up here. Oh, no. Let's add another pawn. But here we go. 36 pawns against Stockfish. It says I have an advantage. As long as I don't get checkmated like I seem to keep doing, we should be fine. Let's go ahead and just go for the king. Let's just, I mean, we're just going to go straight for the king this game. Right at the king. Just go for him. Let's just attack. Just attack the king. As I make a bunch of moves over there. All right, let's go back over here. See, the problem is I can't move that. I feel like I already messed this up. I'm going to restart. This was a bad choice. I'm going to restart. Reset the position. Okay. Let's not do that. Let's just trade off all these pawns so that I don't have to worry about that. Okay. Great. We have an advantage. Let's play h6 so that this rook doesn't get in the game. And let's play a6. So both rooks are stuck. Okay. Now I'm going to take it slow. I'm going to take it slow and I'm just going to gradually push these forward. One at a time. One at a time. One at a time. One at a time. Okay, great. Let's push this one. And just keep pushing. We'll just keep pushing. Perfect. Bring the king up. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We'll just keep pushing. Don't want to let the pieces in. Okay, great. I'm just going to keep pushing. Great. Let's do another row. Great. Let's use the king to help. All right. So this is all Stockfish is doing, which is fine. I don't really care about that. I'm going to push this one. Okay, I'm running out of pawns in the middle, but I think we have enough. Let's go. Oh, let's see. I don't want to let the knight sacrifice, really. Let's go here. Perfect. Nice. Nice. That was really good. All right. Here. 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 Careful. This is the part where I always seem to mess it up. Let's go G6. Let's just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I mean, I don't even have to take it. I don't even have to take it right now. I could just... Nah, let's take it, actually. Let's take it. And now I'll go here and here. Okay, he's going to try to come in for this perpetual check. Do I want to allow that? This is a critical moment. Do I want to allow this? It's probably a bad idea. I probably don't need to, right? Because I can push this and just get it this way. Yeah, let's not do that. That's fine. I can block that with this. What? This is a perpetual? No. No way. How? Because once he gets this pawn, he's going to come in and check me? Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a fork. He can't take the pawn. How is this a draw? I'm confused. So I'm just going to move here. And I don't know what Stockfish is going to do. Or even here. And I'm going to get a queen. Or get a queen, right? Stockfish, you're crazy. Oh, it's a... I should know better than call Stockfish crazy. It's a stalemate trap. King takes E3 is a blunder. It's telling me it's a blunder. Anywhere I moved, he was just going to keep checking me. Like, if I move here, he's just going to, yeah, he's just going to take everything and check me all the time. Oh, or checkbait me. If I don't take it. Oh my goodness. Stalemate. I wasn't thinking about stalemate. You got to be kidding me. All right, here we go. I've added 37 pawns, and apparently I have mate in 4. So I'm going to see if I can find the mate in 4. Let's see. I guess it's like you take and you push and you push. Yeah, you probably take and you push over here, and then you get checkmate. So let's see. Takes, check. I don't know if it matters. And then, yeah, okay. So 37 pawns and I can win for sure. Although I'm pretty sure with 36, I can win if I just avoid the stalemate tricks, which I was not thinking about. All right, let me know which pieces you want me to use to beat Stockfish next. Take care.